at 1765 and silver at 2020 failed to go past the support at 1760 levels. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take in order to make profit, what could be our strategy, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, and I'll give you the trading strategy. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do watch till the end. So let's start first with gold. And yes, those who are new, do not miss to watch the next analysis before the US cash session on gold specifically, along with Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Now these are the hourly charts for gold. You can find out it is trading in this box out here, failing to go up, failing to go down. 1760, 1771. Yes, I have always told in my weekly analysis also, if you see it above 1771 you can stay long, and now below 1760 you can stay short. But how far it can go, the next support level is very nearby at around 1757 and 1754. So in fact, if you see it trading below 1760 you can go short, and below 1762 you can expect it to come back to 1757, almost $5, and then 1754. If it breaks below this, then we can expect it to come back to 1750 zone. Below that it is going to act little bit bearish. So yes, also look at this on the hourly charts. It is giving you lower highs, and hence you have to be cautious with the longs till the time it trades below 1770. I will not recommend you to go long. Directional movement moderately bullish. Bullish stochastic is looking upwards again. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish here on the hourly charts, and RSI is comfortable there. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts similar is the story. The support there at 1758.60 is strong, and that is why it is trying to bounce back. But look at this on the downside, you can again see a support at 1754 and then 1750. Below 1750 it can act a little bit bearish. So yes, you can go short at 1760 levels, and below 1760 yes, there should be a little drop. But see, till 1755 it has got very strong support. Till 1754 it has got very strong support. So larger no trade zone appears to be in between 1754 and 1770 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over and it is trading with a bearish bias. RSI is near to top, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, similar is the story on the 3-hour charts. See lower highs and lower lows, but it has failed to break past 1760 zone. On the upside, yes, if you see it trading beyond 1770, then definitely a strong bullish move can be expected, and till the time it trades below 1770, probability exists that it may come down to 1754, which is a very strong support, and if it breaks 1750 is the next strong support. Below 1750 it will come back to 1745, 1740 zone, as I have always maintained on these levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, but it is trying to converge. Stochastic is at near to top. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover on the 3-hour charts, and if it crosses over we can see some little bearish moves there. RSI near to top there on the 3-hour charts. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts also it is trying to see lower highs. Despite one breakout, it is still giving you lower highs, and yes, if you look at the candle there, it is also giving you lower lows. Yes, be watchful of 1760 and be watchful of 1770. So rather I'll recommend do not trade in between 1760 and 1770 zone. Below 1760 there is high probability that it may come back to 1755, 1754. However, remember, it is still not that bearish. Till the time it trades above 1750, I will not recommend that as a bearish for the day. And you have to keep your stop losses at cost. Let's say if you enter at 1760 and if you see it trading at 1757, 58, you have to shift your stop loss at 1760 so that you can preserve your capital. Directional movement is moderately bullish. The stochastic is nearly overbought. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. We can see RSI is overbought. See, it is signaling a drop from here probably. That is my expectation. Now look at the daily charts, lower highs, and the resistance there at 1766.67 is strong. The resistance there at 1770 is definitely strong. This is the top of the Bollinger Bands there. Probability exists that we may see some cooling on gold's movement. How far this can go, I will look forward to 1755, and below that, yes, 1750, 1745 levels can be seen. So I'll look forward to first support at 1757, then 1754, and then below that it can drop till towards the zone at 1740, 45. Be watchful of this. And if you look at the directional movement is moderately bearish, stochastic is extremely overbought, hence a drop can be expected. MACD is wide and divergent and bullish, it can converge. RSI is trading flat. So today I will not recommend you to go long till the time it is below 1770 levels, and till the time it trades below 1767 you can remain short. Probability exists that it may hit 1760 as the first target, 1757, 1754 as the next target, and then it may try to drop below, achieve 1745 and 1740 levels. So do not, and yes, do not trade between 1767 and 1770 levels. Above 1770 it may fly. Rather, if you are taking a conservative trade, you can go short only if you see it at 1761. If you see it trading below 1761, you can go short for 1757, 1754, and then below that it may hit 1750 and 1745 levels. So in between 1761 and 1770 do not trade. This is how we can make profit trading gold today. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver, after trading cyclic in this box for a little while, it has given a break here, and you can watch out 2020 levels, definitely a very strong support levels which it breached, and possibility that till the time it trades below 2030 today we can remain bearish. And rather you can see 2025 is a very good level again. So 2026, till the time it trades below 2026 one can remain bearish. We can see further lows coming down there, as 2040 it has already achieved the first resistance zone. Also look at this, on the downside it may get a very strong support at 2020. So I'll be watchful of 2020 and 1990 levels. These two levels are going to provide a very strong support. So till the time it trades below 2026 you can remain short on silver. That is what it appears, but do listen to it right now. Directional movement is bullish, it is looking forward to a conversion. Stochastic is at bottom, that is another observation, that it may try to bounce a little. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. The RSI was near to overbought levels, now looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, double top and lower lows, it is trying to trade bearish, but the support there at 10 and 2005 is strong, and probability exists that it may trade below 2030 levels. So yes, probably if you see it trading below 20, above 2030, then only I will recommend you to go long. 2030 is a very strong resistance level, and till the time it trades below 2030 we can expect it to come down to 2010, 2000 and 1990. See, be watchful of these levels, 2000 and 1990. Only if it breaks below 1990 we can expect that it is going to act little bit bearish, and we can expect a drop. Directional movement is bullish, it is looking forward to converge. Stochastic was overbought, now looking vertically downwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. The RSI was overbought and now looking downwards, indicating probably we can see a break. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, third red candle, second red candle, the highs there at 2026 2030 levels, and if you see it trading above 2030 any point of time in next candle, consider that it is going to break past on the upside 2040 the next target, and then beyond that on the upside we may see it flying. Now also look at this, see, it is trying to trade in this channel, it has achieved the lows of the channel, and that is what indicates that if it trades above 2030 we can see that it is going to a 2040 again. That is going to be, it is going to honor this channel and continue to trade bullish. So be watchful, it is achieved the lows there, and hence a possibility of reversal exists. Directional movement is moderately bullish, it is looking forward to converge. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, it may crossover for a sell. RSI is overbought, and hence we can look forward to a drop. On the 4-hour charts too, this is the second consecutive red candle, and see, this is trying to trade in this channel. The support at 2010 is strong, and then below 2010 you can expect 2000, 1990. Till the time it trades above 1990, possibility remains that it is going to remain bullish for the rest of the week. Below 1990 there is going to be strong break. And if you look at the directional movement, it is looking forward to converge. The stochastic is overbought, the MACD is looking forward to converge and crossover for a sell. The RSI is overbought, and hence we can see a drop. On the daily charts also, now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, lower highs, and see, it is trying to trade with drop. Till the time it trades below 2030, probability exists that I will not consider that as bullish. And yes, Till the time it trades below 2030, we can expect it to hit 2010, 2000 and 1990 levels. So you can remain short till the time it trades below 2030 with the stop loss of 2030. You can keep your trades, but be watchful. If it reverses beyond 2030, you have to go long, and then you can expect 2040 again. Beyond 2040, we may see it flying high. So you have to be cautious with the stop losses 2030. You can keep your trades, but the support at 1990 is very strong, and you have to be watchful of that. If it breaks below 1995, it is going to act bearish, and then you can consider that it is going to drop further. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is extremely overbought. MACD white divergent bullish. RSI is near to top. Considering this, one can remain short with the stop losses 2030, and one can expect it to drop for 2010, 2000 and 1990 levels. Below 1990, there is going to be a good drop. So take your trades accordingly. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and definitely the strategies taught will help you become profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week day ahead. Thank you.